Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone camera icon is disappear from the home screen. So if you search for the camera and you won't find on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you have this problem, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem, how you can get back your camera on your iPhone or iPad home screen. So let's get start the video. So before we start the video guys, hit the subscribe button for more upcoming video. So to fix this guys, first of all open your iPhone or iPad setting, then simply click on screen time, then click on content and privacy restriction. Now guys, simply click on allowed app and make sure that camera is turned on. Now as you can see, the camera is turned off. You can turn on the camera from here. Now if you go back to your home screen, as you can see, you will find the camera icon. So if you still cannot find the camera after turning on from the screen time, the next step you can do is open your iPhone setting. Now just simply open your iPhone or iPad setting, then click on general, then scroll down, click on reset again, then simply click on reset home screen layout. So after this guys, you will get the camera icon on your home screen. So thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video, peace out.